Hi, I'm Will with Baird Foundation Repair. As your local foundation repair experts, we want homeowners to know what to look for if you suspect your home is having foundation issues. Your home is an investment for the long term, and the home's foundation is key to protecting that investment. It's important to know the warning signs in case your home's foundation or crawl space is taking value away from your home. It's easy to accept some of the home's quirky features as character, but these could be important warning signs that there's a structural issue that can rob your home of its value. What are the warning signs? Some warning signs are visual, like wall cracks above doorways and near corners of rooms. Standing water or leaks can also be a visual cue that there is an issue. Other warning signs can be found on doors and windows. Doors might stick or open by themselves. Windows might be hard to open or jammed. When walking, you might notice your floors could be sloping, or tiles may have started to crack or pop up. That would indicate that you may have settlement. Warning signs outside the home include stair-step cracking or separation on the stucco, brick, or siding. These problems won't get better in time. Settlement never stops and can lead to ongoing issues such as plumbing issues, roof issues, or even a fractured slab. If you see these warning signs in your home, give Baird Foundation Repair a call for a free estimate and a solution that delivers comfort and security for years to come.